Resilient family. In a village, there was a family of 4. Father was a mechanic, while mother was a tailor. They had 2 daughters. They planned to move to a city for their daughter's education. Both their daughters got admission to a well-established school. Father took a mechanic job in a company, while the mother joined as a tailor in a textile company. As the days passed, the workload for both father and mother increased. In their father's company, some of the coworkers delegate most of their work to him since they use the power of being key members of the employees' union and him being a newbie and outsider. On the mother's side, her company forces her to work overtime to increase the output. Meanwhile, students in their daughter's class started teasing them. They complained to their parents about that. His father told them, in life, we may face adversity, and it can affect each one of us differently. But it is up to us to decide how we react to that. So, I would suggest you react positively. Focus on your studies. If things go out of your control, you can complain to the teachers. Otherwise, focus on your life. Soon others will understand. Then mother asked him, we are also facing a similar situation in our work. What do we have to do? He replied, for us right now, we have to give our daughters proper education and improve our financial situation. So we need to manage the stress and use it as a ladder in our life. We have to be resilient in difficult situations to bounce back. As the years passed, all of them excelled in their career. As a family, they were happy and financially stable. The elder daughter becomes a doctor, and the younger one becomes a pilot. Father is now chief mechanic and the union leader. Mother is now a supervisor in her company. They experienced adversity, stress, threats, health problems, and financial problems throughout their life. But collectively, as a family, they faced each situation with resilient behaviors, thoughts, and actions that helped them grow and achieve their dreams. Moral of the story: life is full of twists and turns, and every day it gives us challenges. It affects each one of us differently, but we can manage them comfortably if we are resilient. Resilience is not something extraordinary we cannot learn. We can learn over time by facing challenging situations and bouncing back. It empowers you to grow and improve your life. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for learning English fluently.